How to tell the difference between alabaster and marble. Alabaster and marble are usually used for all types of ornamental works. They are both used for sculptures and other types of ornamentations as home decor products. Alabaster and marble can sometimes look similar, but they have distinct differences. Alabaster is a softer stone, marble is harder, and can also be highly polished. Alabaster cannot be used in any outdoor applications, but marble is used a lot outdoors for buildings and sculptures. Alabaster versus marble stones explained. Some people may think that alabaster and marble are the same kinds of stone, but the truth is that alabaster and marble are very different stones and are used differently. What is alabaster? Alabaster is a soft mineral. Because it is soft, it is usually used for carving or plaster powder. There are generally two types of alabaster: calcite alabaster or gypsum alabaster. Alabaster is a stone that has been carved for thousands of years, but as it is soft and slightly soluble in water, it cannot be used outdoors. Alabaster can be pretty expensive to quarry as the top parts can be destroyed by the weather, and as the stone is soft, it can get easily damaged. What is marble? Marble is also a natural mineral rock that can also be composed of some calcite or dolomite minerals. Marble is a stone used in sculptures and other production. There are many types of marbles with different types of hardness. Marble is found worldwide and comes in colors from white marble to pink or rose to blue-gray to green or black. Differences between marble and alabaster. Even though alabaster and marble are both natural stones, they have some differences. Here are some of the significant differences between alabaster and marble. Both alabaster and marble are stones that have been used for centuries. Alabaster is mainly from the Middle East and Europe, whereas marble can be found worldwide. Unlike alabaster, marble can be heavily polished. This means it is a tougher stone that can do well when polished. Alabaster can also have a chalky or waxy kind of feel. Alabaster can only be used indoors. It does not do well in the rain and wet weather. Marble can be used outdoors, and a lot for sculptures and building materials. Alabaster is mainly found in white, though some creams and browns can be found. On the other hand, marble comes in various colors, from white, gray, black, pink, and green colors. Alabaster is a slightly translucent stone. Because of this, it is used a lot in pendants and other types of lighting as it can give off a wonderful glow. Marble is also used in lighting, but it's not transparent, so it would be used more for a lamp base, a stand of a lamp, or a tabletop. Marble stone is extremely heavy. Even though alabaster is a heavy stone, it is not as heavy as marble. Alabaster stone is soft, so it is pretty easy to carve. Many carvers prefer working with alabaster as it is a more accessible stone to carve. On the other hand, marble is a hard stone and is not easy to carve. Alabaster has always been less expensive than marble. Marble, especially certain types of marble, is pretty rare and can be quite expensive. Marble and alabaster are excellent choices to use for home decor and home furnishing products. Which one you choose will also depend greatly upon the application. For example, if you want a tabletop, your best choice would be marble. On the other hand, if you want to have a stone that would make a lovely translucent pendant, then the best choice for you to use would be alabaster. If you're interested in what type of alabaster or marble products Mondoro Company can produce, we would love to talk to you. We have some magnificent bathroom sets that are made in natural alabaster stone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. To find out more about how Mondoro can help you create, develop, and manufacture excellent home decor and furniture products, don't hesitate to contact us at sales@mondoro.com. To know more about us, check our social media below.